In this video, I'll show you how to remove reflection from an image in Adobe Photoshop. So let's begin. First of all, to use this feature, your Photoshop must be updated to the latest version, that is version 27.6. And to check if you are using the latest version or not, just open Creative Cloud, select Apps, and then click on Check for updates. From here, you can see the Photoshop version. If it is version 27.6, then you are good to go. If not, then update. I have this open option because I have already updated mine. Once you update, restart Photoshop and you will be using the latest version. Let's close this and bring our image. By the way, if you want to use this image, you can download from unsplash.com. Alright, we have placed our image. Now we have to go to edit. Then you will see reflection removal option just below generate image and a pop-up will appear. If you want to create separate layer, then click on this checkbox and hit OK. Photoshop will do its work and this may take some time. Let's fast forward the video. Alright, as you can see, Photoshop has done its work. And you can see two separate layers has been created. One is reflection removal and the other is reflection layer. Hide this reflection layer to see before and after. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop related videos, and I'll see you soon with another interesting video.